polar form. We need I have a question for you. We might have to make a few notes. Polar form, what's R? Yeah, it's the exact same R, isn't it? Yeah, so R, let's note that R for the complex conjugate is the same, is the same as for the actual complex number itself. Phi. Well, or that angle. What that angle that we have, if this is phi, what did you call this one? This is minus phi, sure. This would be minus phi. Now, if you gave it a whole new name like alpha or something, that's creative, but it's too much work. All it is just minus phi. It's going to go down the same direction. So let's see what the relationship there is. So if you recall, let's find phi now. Let's find or deal with minus phi. All right. So this gives us a relationship. We have the tangent of negative phi is equal to the opposite, right? Oscar had a of apples. Of is opposite, so that's minus phi. And apples stands for adjacent. That's A. Can we simplify that? I'd like to simplify it. Say it again?
Tangent of theta, or phi equals b over a.
Yes, why is that?
Because it's, odd function.
It's an odd function, that's right. Very good. Help me with your name, too.
Nate.
Nate, good work, Nate. Yeah, Nate's correct. Tangent is an odd function, which means that the tangent of negative phi is the same as the tangent minus the tangent of phi. Oh, wow, but then the minuses cancel, and we can say that we have the tangent of phi is the exact same as we had when we dealt with the original z. Okay, so far we haven't had to do much work, have we? We knew z. So far we're doing pretty good with the complex conjugate, d bar. What else do we have to do? Right. Let's see. Yeah, we'll just write it then. Hang on a second. Oh yeah, let's just do it. So polar. So we have. So for polar, we have the complex conjugate equals. We're going to call it R times. I'm going to write it this way. R cosine of minus phi plus I sine minus phi. I'm going to run out of space here. You could try to simplify that and make it really difficult, but don't.
I think it's really?
Yeah, don't make it more difficult. Let's just stop. Let's leave it there, and now go ahead and take a moment and write the exponential form. Oh, I made a mistake. You see what it was? Yeah, there's supposed to be a capital R right there. Or I could have put parentheses around it. Yeah. Well, if you try to simplify it, but you don't have to. You could deal with, oh, I see what you're saying, because we have minus. Well, what do you think about that for a moment? Hang on a second. Is that what you were going to ask me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hang on, let me think. Might have made a mistake. On camera. Yeah, I know, even worse.